Violence is not the way ahead, but the only way ahead is by educating our people, by being united, and not by hating anyone, but loving our people, spreading awareness, and creating a better future for our next generation. So I spoke to them and I said that it is very good that they have shunned the path of violence, because violence will achieve nothing, but unity will give us even far better results than any other thing. So I told them about this. They are very happy. We had a very good conversation. We had food together, and if we can, because Bangladesh is next to our borders, and Bangladesh will try to exploit our youngsters who are unemployed, who are frustrated, who have been rendered jobless, and Bangladesh through ISI will try to recruit our people. So it is very important that we speak to our returnees, tell them that India will give you a better future, but we have to be together, united, and put our demands democratically in a proper way without indulging in any sort of violence or being provoked by our neighbors, especially Bangladesh through ISI. That's it.
Sir, they had returned, and there was a repatriation for them. So how much that has they expressed?
I don't think we are very happy with it. I think more has to be done, and the government of India should. I had said this before also when Sheikh Hasina was there, that the government is very fragile in Bangladesh. Now the government is no longer there in India's friend is no longer there in Bangladesh, and after what Muhammad Yunus said, that Northeast is landlocked, believe me, we have to think of plan B. Otherwise, they will take advantage of the frustration of our youngsters, make one community fight with another community, and create instability in Northeast. If Northeast has to progress, we need peace, and we need tribals of this area to be given a better future. So my job is to make them understand. Government of India's job is to not depend only on officers, but implement what they have promised on the ground.
Sir, the transshipment has been stopped to Bangladesh.
Yes, it's very good.
So how
very good, very good. In fact, Muhammad Yunus should pay a bigger price. You know what they have done in Sylhet? These people are no longer speaking for. If a country like Bangladesh can disrespect its founding father like Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, they will not even honor someone who gave up his life for the creation of Bangladesh. Do you think that they will even think twice about us? And this is where I am very surprised. People like the Communist Party saying that do not speak out against Bangladesh. They are our neighbors. Please tone down your rhetoric. That's what they are saying. Manik Sarkar should realize that he wouldn't have ever come to Tripura or India if people in East Pakistan were nice to them. They burned their villages, they burned their homes, they threw them out. The same thing has happened to Tiprasas, has happened to Chakmas, has happened to Hindu Bengalis, has happened to Christians, has happened to Buddhists. This will again continue if we do not take a stronger position. One has to understand that this is no longer India of 1947 or 1971. This is an India of 2025. We are an emerging superpower, and if we cannot handle a tiny country like Bangladesh, then we cannot claim ourselves to be superpower. We have to show our strength, and we have to talk from a position of influence.
Madam, will you speak something on the Riyang?
Every issue which affects my Tiprasa people, whether it is our Riyangs, whether it is our Tiprasas who are going through water crisis, because projects have been laid, but there is no har ghar mein nal hai, lekin nal se pani nahi aa raha. So we have to talk about it. We are not in the government to just praise each other. We are also in the government to show the mirror to the officials, to the politicians, that there are deliveries, there have been a lot of progress, but not everything is satisfactory. We need to do more. We have not been chosen to just sit back on our laurels and not say enough. So it is a job of us, sitting as an alliance partner, to tell the state government that you have done good work, but good work does not stop only in Agartala or only in Udaipur or only in Amarpur or Kailasher or Dharmanagar. It has to also reach Jamthum. It also has to reach Thalchara. It also has to reach Roisabari. It has to reach many other parts of Tripura where there is acute water crisis. And I'm sure if we put enough pressure, if we tell them, government will react for the better of our people.
Thank you.